So, if you work remotely and know how to make money on Fiverr, your earning potential is endless. With Fiverr, you can travel anywhere you want in the world while putting your skills to use and, of course, get paid. Despite what you think, you can earn way more than $5 a job with Fiverr. Some freelancers are paid hundreds and even thousands of dollars. So, as you can see, Fiverr's infamous $5 reputation is thankfully long gone. So, what is Fiverr? To put it simply, Fiverr is an online marketplace that offers a wide variety of services, tasks, and mini jobs. Founded in 2010, Fiverr aims to provide an online platform where freelancers can advertise and list their available digital services. On this site, you will find millions of gigs for every type of skills. Whether you are a designer, web developer, lawyer, or even a musician, you can earn on Fiverr. On Fiverr, the offered services are referred to as gigs, and many of them start at just $5. So, however, this is just the base pay. You will find plenty of gigs that pay in same comparable range as other job services sites. So, how does Fiverr work? This process of finding jobs is fairly straightforward, but first it's important to understand the two different parties involved in the transaction. So, here's how Fiverr works. There is seller and buyer. Seller, if you are a freelancer looking for work, then you what Fiverr consider as seller. A seller can list any type of service they want along with how much they would like to be paid. Your chances of being hired depend on your experience in your industry and your experience on Fiverr. So, and buyer, if you are looking to purchase a service, you are the buyer. A buyer has something they need to be completed, whether it's a specific task, job, or project. Fiverr is a two-way communication platform, which means both buyers and sellers have the opportunity to find each other. A buyer can browse through the profile for sellers that meet their requirements. Once a buyer and seller find each other, they will agree on a set goal, time frame, and price. Then it's up to the freelancer to do what they do best. So, how to get started on Fiverr? You have to register for a new account, then create a seller profile, then create a gig. We will cover all these things in this course. So, how much does Fiverr cost? Creating an account with Fiverr is completely free. This is one of the best features of the website. It won't cost you a penny to browse or see what gigs are available. As a buyer, you pay Fiverr upfront for the cost of the gig as well as administration fees, and the fees will depend on how much you are paying for the gig. The fee for gig under $40 is $2 or 5% on gigs above $40. For example, if you are willing to pay $10 for a blog article, you will pay $2 to Fiverr before hiring a seller. As a seller, you will be paid after the gig has been successfully completed. It's important to note that you will only be paid 80% of the total order value. Fiverr keeps the other 20% as a commission fee. So, for example, a buyer offers a $10 for blog article. Once completed, you will be paid a final amount of $8. So, top 10 job categories. So, the following are just of the few best ways to make money on Fiverr. So, that's a brief overview about Fiverr. In the next video, we will create an account on Fiverr. So, I will see you in the next video.